friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna have so much fun playing with my Lego construction toys. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you about this crane. It can move like wee. And its arm can operate. It can lift this rock. Wait. See? Now it's a wrecking ball. And now I'm going to show you this lifter. It has shovels right here so it can dig. So they are going to work together to move this big rock. How do we move this rock? I don't know. Maybe we can lift it. But how? It's so heavy. Oh, you're right. Maybe I can wreck it. It's too hard. Maybe I can dig it at the bottom and then it can fall down when you wreck it. Okay? Okay. I think it's loose. Okay, I'm gonna wreck it. Yay! We wrecked it! Finally! Now what are we gonna do it? Maybe we can do the same thing again. Lift it! Lift it! Okay. I'm gonna lift it. Higher, higher. If you say so. Whee! Oh, it's falling. Now. Whee! It's so high. Look how high it is. Yay! Let's put it back down. Down, down, stop. Yay, we did it. Hey, I found a rock. What do we do with it? Hey, that's not a rock. That's my wrecking ball piece. I'm gonna put that here. And this is the cone. And these are lights. And this is a light cone. These tell people they're construction workers here. And see the ladder here? And there's even grass. Oh no. Yum, yum, yum. Oh no! I knocked over it. You knocked over the rock? Oh! Why did you knock over the rock? I did not mean to. Sorry. Okay, so now you have to put that here. Okay. First I'm gonna lift this. Yeah. Then I'm gonna put it. Are you ready? I'm ready. Why you lifted it? Should we do it higher? Higher? Whoa! That rock is higher! Higher! Okay. Wow, that rock is so high. I can't believe it's so high. I can't even reach it. You can reach it now. Okay, here I can reach it. Let's see if your crane can lift your wrecking ball on it. Whoa, that's gonna be super hard. Oh, that's gonna be way, way bigger. Maybe I can lift a few inches off the ground. Okay, I'm doing my highest. Oh, that is so cool. I can't get it. Oh, I got it. Now you can go higher. Oh. Whoa! That is the most tallest thing I've ever seen. Wow. Oh no, it fell down. I'm gonna lift it up. Okay, so now you can do it. Wait. Yeah, now. Whoa, that is super duper smooper awesome. Maybe we can knock it over. That's what I was gonna say. Okay. Oh no, it fell down again. How heavy is this? I'm gonna take this thing off now. Oh no, it fell. So now I'm gonna knock it over with my big wrecking ball in 3, 2, 1. No, wait. Can I wreck it this time? Okay. 3. You're doing it from the back? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. No, I'm not. 3, 2, 1. Yay! I did it! I wrecked it over. Cool. Okay, so now we dig with it. How do we dig? You know how we dig. With your super awesome shovels. Okay. Get your super awesome shovels. I'm getting my super awesome shovels. Now dig. Ooh. Digging. I'm digging it. It's all done. You can lift it now. First, we have to put these back. This is so heavy. First, we have to put these shovels back. Okay, so now we can do it. Yeah. Great. So now we can put it on display for all the people in our town to see it. Yeah, that's so cool. I hope everyone likes this cool stone we found. Oh, I just figured out what's it name. It's called crystallite. Wow, we found crystallite. Anyway, we are mining, but we're construction vehicles. Construction vehicles also mine. Oh, okay. I think this is the best rock ever found. Oh. Is it morning time? Yeah. Oh, I forgot. We still have to present it. Ladies and gentlemen, we present you the crystallite rock we found when we are mining deep 2,000 feet under the earth. Wow, that is so cool. For now, I think our job is done. So, I think it's time to say bye-bye with our work. Bye-bye work. Bye. Oh, this fell down. They're saying bye to you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, please subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye!